I'm going to explain you how you can set up your own custom category templates. As you can see, if we go to the site and click to the cars, by default we will have a good SEO URL, but the page template of the search page will be used and the category will be set to the cars in this example. Okay, so if we want to create custom category template and scratch this search page template, we can do it like this. We go to the Lisfinity options, pages setup, mark this option, custom category pages, click on. Okay, then we need to go to the pages, create our new page. Because I have it already, I will not do that, but you will click on add new. I will just edit car category, let it load. Template in category page options. Just before that, in page attributes, you need to set the template to Lisfinity category template. By default, it will be set to default template. In order for this to work properly, set it please to Lisfinity category template. Then this option will show up. Let me just, if I change it, this option, category options, will be hidden. Now, if we set it to category template, that's why it is important. The category page options will be displayed. If we set this to not specified, this template will be used for all categories. Now, if we set it to the car, click on update, we can edit it with the Elementor. Okay, so I'll click to edit it with Elementor, and now with Elementor I can create whatever page I want to. If I refresh this that was search page once, now this will be my custom category template. As you can see, this is just some text. If you use the you can use any shortcode here, especially the default provided by Elementor or the Elementor Pro. But if you use Lisfinity heading, okay, let me show you. If you type here head, some modules will show up. If you use Lisfinity heading, you can use the tags. So, as you can see, use tags like taxonomy, term, or child. And if it is possible or it is needed, that taxonomy will be replaced with the taxonomy name from the fields builder. Okay, this is just a Lisfinity adds. How can we showcase here only products from the car category? Simple. We click to create a new listing feed, new tab, and choose listing type to be car. Okay, and it will show only cars. But we can choose the other ones too. Let's disable promoted listings. This was showing only one because this option was set to promoted listings. If we disable that, click on update. As you can see here, it will showcase only the cars. Okay, that's about it. You have the custom category template. Now if I go back, click on the car, here is my custom category. So the first setup in the pages may be the first time overwhelming, so let's recap it. First thing you need to do is go to the Lisfinity options, pages setup. So this option, custom category pages, tells the system that if the custom page for the car category is created, is existing in our database, show that. If there is no template, it will fall back to the search page, just as I showed you in the first example. Now, when we set this to on, then we go to the pages, click to create the page, add new, or edit an existing one. Under the page attributes drop down, for the template we set to Lisfinity category template, and in the template set the template for the specified category. I want this to be for the car. Why is this important? Because when I click here to cars or access the URL that has car, it will, through this option, know what template to load. If there is no template set, it will fall back to the search page. As you can see, I have the template that is set to not specified. I'm not sure which one is that. Let's try category template. As you can see, if it is set to not specified, it will load that category template, and it will be used for all the categories that do not have their own specified category template. So the car has its own template set through this field, and it will load the car template. The bike doesn't have specified category template, and it is showing the general category template that has this option set to not specified. Now, if I go, as you can see, it automatically knows that it is bike's category. How the system knows that? Because of the earlier mentioned taxonomy tag, term tag. As you can see, if there are other child options or something like that, the system will automatically switch this. If it is not existent, it will hide the values that are empty and show only the ones that are not. So as you can see, you're browsing listings from the taxonomy. In the Elementor, it will be displayed like this. But if we go back to the site, as you can see, it will say the correct taxonomy or category name. Thank you very much for watching.